You bounce. I know it's small. You bounce and you put it. It's all there already.
Oh, stop! I'm gonna do it.
Yeah, it won't fit.
What?
I'm actually comfortable with the bigger basketball, but I guess okay. So.
Welcome to LJ Fox Playtime. Today we're unboxing the Smart Kids basketball hoop. It's for basketball play 83 plus, and it says dartboard on the back.
We have dartboard on the back.
Yeah. Basketball plus H3 plus, dartboard on the back. These are the instructions and how to set it up. Cooking hazard is not for kids. These are the measurements. Let's open it up. And there it is!
So that's the dartboard.
These are the instructions. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3.
So step 1 says take number 5 and number 4 screw.
We're gonna take it. And here's the screwdriver. Here's the ball. The hoops.
We need 2 short
Screw
screws.
plus driver equals screwdriver.
Number 20 is the label.
Yeah, it's a label.
So
Where's the number 5? Is this number 5? Or it's this number 5? Ding!
this number 5 is just one. The hoop pipes.
Yeah! It says the hoop pipe. Let's find that hoop pipe.
Right here.
Yeah, it's right there. It's not
Number
hoop.
5, the hoop pipe. Says we need 2 number 4, which is this one. And then we need so the number 4 is 2, and then
12 is the ball needle.
Number 13, which is the short screw. And then we need number 5.
Mommy,
Yes.
12 is the ball needle.
Yes. And then number 5 is this one. And then the board, the hoop, and all that stuff. Follow your instructions. let's go ahead and start setting them up.
Yeah.
They're close to the back. So, and then with this one, right? The screws goes in here.
And when you're done doing that, I'm gonna do the labels.
Okay.
What do you?
Number 18.
It's the net.
Good job. And then number 14.
Yep, it is in the net hook.
I think pick it up like so. Attach it down here. Like so.
The net hook is
18 is this, and then let's make sure it's not too hard. Like so. It's around for you, right? Like this. I'll put the hook, and then you go ahead and hook it. You know, like hook it yourself, because this can move. I'll just put the big part so you don't hurt yourself. It's 8 pieces.
okay.
Put it. Good job.
Oh.
So
Oh, I love it. Oh,
is it finished?
fine. Apple.
Good job.
uh.
Okay.
Oh,
So
now we can do this part.
that concludes the first step.
Yeah, but we almost forgot. It's the
Can do the second part.
yeah. I'm gonna do the label,
You can look here.
mommy. I'm gonna do the labels. Okay. Wait, why am I out this part? Oh. Uh-oh. Did I do it well? Did I do it well?
Good job.
But I have to. But get
Fix
this.
it later. Keep doing it. Okay, so step 2 says to take number 23, and number 23 is the lock. Take number 23, which is this, and then the I think generally it has only 3 of them up here. Good job. It's almost done. This I said it has 3 of them, but I found 4.
Yeah, you found 4.
So I found 4 locks.
I like 23.
Done.
Oh.
So I found 4 locks, and then it says to take number 23s, the long one, which is number 7, and number 7 is the bottom pillar. That's the one with this lock.
Yes, I like the bottom pillar.
3 in total, just like so. And then it says to take number 3, and number 3 is, they call it knots. So I don't know.
That's okay.
Number 17. Number 17 is
The
that one.
one. It's
That is 8 millimeters.
it's a mini 8. So can we?
Right. If this video is too long, I'm just gonna skip that.
I don't want the video too long.
So let's set up the base. This one is. It's just to fill this in with water or sand.
Water. Let me see that.
This one, take the nut.
I'm taking the nut.
And then the screw.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
And this goes in first.
Yeah.
They all look like this, but it's still one with the flap. Supposed to be under here, if I'm not mistaken. The only thing that makes sense right now.
No, is that we can put this thing in there?
Yes, but it goes this way, like this,
No.
like so.
Yeah, and put the next one in.
Right there. Yeah, that's how you do the other one. Tighten it up all the way, depending on the height that person wants.
Oh!
So this can go down or it continue. Tighten it up. Do a good job.
Yeah, do it.
And this one too. So I guess this is where we adjust it. The top part is the actual one for the adjustment.
Oh my god.
Yes.
No one can shoot the ball. But I am tall. I'm tall. Well, I'm gonna shoot the ball in that way so I can win.
Alright.
It's getting close. Surfboard on the back.
That's what we have to process.
Get go! Mommy.
Okay. We fill this base.
Uh-oh.
Water
Don't
and
let
sand.
get down.
In this case, we'll be doing water because we can't find sand.
Because
So fix it with water or sand, and then this is the cap, and which is
Okay.
number 2.
okay.
And then look, close the cap, push it properly to close. So number 4,
Okay.
number 4 to the down, number 4 to the other end, number 24 to this side, and then we're gonna get number 16,
Mhm.
and number 16 is this 6 screw, which is 5 pieces all together. All right. Number 24 is one of the long ones. It has to go through.
Oh, the other one's here, right?
Lift the cap.
Oh,
Lock it.
I'm blocking it. The basketball is gonna be so good.
Run it in. Ooh.
What's the cap going all?
4 under. I mean, this is number 6 under. Yeah.
That's like the basketball that has.
Can we get the other number 6?
Yeah.
And we need the cap.
The basketball is almost done. Whoa! The cat.
It actually came with a wrench. That was the wrench. We're doing this the hard way all this time. Let me look. We use the wrench to tighten it up. Yes.
To wrench out.
Step 4 was actually to assemble all. We were supposed to assemble all this later. I was supposed to just do the down part, the top part, and all that. But yeah, step 4 was just to assemble it, which we already did. Yeah, and let's pump the ball.
Nope.
So this is extra cap, and I'll have to pump the ball.
It's just like the ball. Oh, but
Okay, open this up. Open this up. You put it in here. So whoever is interested in putting the dart goes to the back. It's actually a sticker. When you pull it, peel the sticker, and it sticks to the back. Like so. In this case. So this is also a sticker back here that should stick to the back. So I want to pretend like I already put this. So I want to pretend I already put it.
What?
Yeah, that's a game.
What?
Yeah, that's a dart. And it came with extra little sticker. I think this is just to help tape it up. This is to help tape it up in the middle. The double-sided tape to help those things stick. I guess when it starts wearing off. So when you remove this foam, you have to put it, but we're not putting it now.
Oh,
So this is what we have left. Extra cap, extra knot, extra.
Mommy,
That
it's
one.
done.
Okay, good job. Clap for yourself. So that's all we have left, and the wrench. Now we have to pump these other ones. But let's test it out. Oh no.
Okay. I'm gonna do
Let's
it.
launch it.
Ew,
Basket.
I want.
When we'll set up the darts on the next video. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our video or channel. Bye bye.